to make a joke about it. Now that I've grown up, I realize that is the way he wrote. He was so loved by so many people. 150,000 attended the cortege at his funeral. And when his house, where he lived the last days of his life in the Bronx, was torn down, I got a call from a hard hat who said, "Would you like to have your grandfather's mezuzah?" Would I? The man came with a little rusty bent mezuzah from Sholem-Aleychem's door, and it's now in my jewel box. And he wasn't loved the way we love an author. I love Tolstoy, I love Dickens. No, he was loved like a close member of the great Jewish family of the world. When I speak about him to people, their love for him spills over on me. Copy the began. Some of his humor is untranslatable because it's verbal. It is not funny because something funny happens. It's funny because what people say about something that happens, and that is his great talent. He died in New York. I was living in Odessa, a wonderful city. I was talking with some of our young Russians about Odessa. I will divert for a moment. I revisited Odessa as a grown woman with a pocketbook. It has these Potemkin steps without any banisters. I'm walking down, pocketbook in one hand. My other hand keeps moving up. Why? I realized when I was little, I couldn't navigate those steps without holding on to my mother. My arm remembered what I forgot. But Kiev was another city that he loved. He lived there for a long time. His verbal humor. Example, two men are talking about their troubles, their problems. Finally one says, enough. Enough, it's too depressing. Let's talk about something more cheerful. What's the news about the cholera epidemic in Odessa? In another story, a Jew offers Rothschild the secret of eternal life for $300. What is the secret of eternal life? Says Rothschild, paying up. Move to my shtetl, says the Jew. In the history of our town, no millionaire ever died there. In 1915, a year before he died, he wrote me a letter. I was in Odessa with my parents. He was in New York. From Papa Sholem-Aleychem, we called him Papa. He was so useful, so full of fun and pranks. Papa Sholem-Aleychem to Belichka in Odessa. Dear Belich, I'm writing you this letter to ask you to hurry and grow up so that you might learn to write. And in order to grow up, it's necessary to drink milk, eat soup and vegetables, and fewer candies. Regards to your dolls. You Papa Sholem-Aleychem, who loves you. Well, as you see, I did grow up. As you know, I did learn to write, but not in time. Not in time to write to him. And that is why I'm so thrilled to talk to people like you about him, to see your reaction to him. It's as if I have answered him, and I thank you for it.